So what are the rules? For demonstrating alkanes, the first rule given to us by IUPAC is to identify the number of carbon atoms in the chain. So let's look at the examples we have on the screen. For the first example, the one on our bottom left corner, let's count the number of carbons in C. 1, 2, right? So you have 2 carbons out there. Well done. What about the next one? We have 1, 2, 3. So for the next hydrocarbon also we have 3 carbons present. What about the last one? Let's count together and see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So the first step has been satisfied to identify the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Now, after we've identified the number of carbon atoms, what we have to do is to use the appropriate alkane prefix based on the number of carbon atoms. And this has also been done for us. So let's go check the prefix and see what to do. So this is the table. So this is alkane prefix table. IUPAC has already decided for us that if there's only one carbon, the prefix should be METH, meth. Yes, if I pronounce it well. If the carbons are 2, the prefix should be ETH. And if there are 3, it should be prop. Then 4, but. So for the examples we had on the earlier slide, we have 2 carbons, 3 carbons, and 4 carbons. So for the 2 carbons, we are going to write ETH. 3 carbons, prop. 4 carbons, but. So keep that in mind whilst you go back. So for the first alkane, the prefix is going to be ETH. For this one, it's going to be PROP, that's prop, and it's going to be but or bat, right? However I pronounce it. Good. Now we are done with the second step. Now the next recommendation for us for naming the straight-chain alkane is to add the suffix ane to indicate it is an alkane. So let's go. We have ETH. If we add ane, it becomes ethane. Then the next one becomes propane, and the last one becomes butane. So these are the examples you have on the screen. All these are saturated hydrocarbons. So the name of an organic compound helps you know whether it's an alkane or any other group.